Hey girl, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber, and I know you're looking at this hair and you're like, girl, what are the details of this unit? Because this is unreal. Like, look at this. Look how cute this hair is. I know, right? So you better keep on watching to see all the details of this wig that I'm wearing. So today's video is in collaboration with Alipearl, and Alipearl has like super cute beginner friendly options that you can wear, ready to wear. You literally take these out of the box, you cut the lace, and you're good to go. You can install these units in like 20 seconds, and that's why I love these type of units. Alipearl has a ton of different options for every situation, so this is definitely a company that you should look out for if you want to have like a unit for every occasion, whether it's a party, an event, or just a date, or for everyday wear. They have it all, so definitely check them out. The link is in the description box, as well as the link to this unit that I'm wearing in this video. Okay, so they sent me this box with a ton of different goodies. As usual, I love these goodies because they help me so much, even though I don't need most of these goodies, such as a wig cap. Sometimes I need it. These lashes, I only wear them for special events, but this like a headband, girl, I don't need it. An elastic band to lay down my wig, I don't need it, because you don't need to lay down these wigs because you don't need glue. But it definitely comes in handy for when I need to use it for whatever reason. Okay, but anyways, here's the unit, girl. I'm like, yeah, I don't know what to say because this unit is so effing gorgeous. Like, look at the shine, the color, like the jet black curls, loose wave, and the hairline. It's super natural looking. So this is a 24-inch body wave unit. Okay, this is a closure unit, and these curls are so cute and so bouncy and so voluminous. So this is literally how I took it out of the box. Look at that hairline. Okay, the lace is already cut. No need to do all of that as well. The knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. So basically, this is everything you need if you're a beginner or if you're a seasoned wig wearer. Like, this is perfect for anyone, really. The hairline though, like the lace is transparent, so it matches every skin color. So that's very nice as well. This is basically a unit that you need for everyday wear or for a special occasion. Okay, so I'm gonna show you real quick how I'm gonna put this on. Super quick, super simple, super easy, and you're gonna see the end results in a second. Okay, also, one more thing, I'm going to install this unit right now in real time so you can see how easy it is and see how fast it is to install this unit. Okay, so I just literally put this on, and now I'm adjusting the combs in the back and the strap in the back, and literally that is it. That's the only thing that I did. You see how fast it is to install a unit like this from Alipearl, right? Okay, let's keep on watching to check out the hairline, because the hairline is crazy as well.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's
So yeah, girl, I installed the unit and this is how it looks. You see how easy it was to install? No glue needed, no spray needed or anything. This was just me putting the wig on, brushing out these curls, and that's it. Look at the hairline, no glue. This is a 4K camera. I'm not gonna, it's not possible to Photoshop this footage. This is as real as it gets. The lace melts into my skin, right? It fits like a glove and it's super natural looking. Who doesn't want this? Like, girl, this is so cute, right? It's giving luxury vibes, it's giving grown and sexy vibes, and I'm here for it, okay? So girl, if you want to get the exact unit that I'm wearing in this video, definitely go and click the link in my description box. It will direct you to the wig that I'm wearing right now in this video, as well as all the details. They are down there. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.